Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 8. We're going to be looking at values and ethics in social work. Every profession has its set of values and ethics, and while a lot of them are common across professions, there are some unique and distinctive things from profession to profession. At the heart of social work are its values, and in this chapter we will be looking at that, and I think you'll see some of the things that distinguish and make social work unique apart from other professions. But we begin with looking at what values actually are, the nature of values. A value is a belief. It's something that someone believes, and that belief provides guidance or criteria by which a person lives their day-to-day life, their personal life, and also their life at work. And it also informs them about what things are the most important, or what kind of a world do they want to see at the end of the day. What are the bottom lines of things? What is most important? And these two functions that values perform are called instrumental values and terminal values. You want to be sure to keep those straight as you prepare for the quiz. The first one, instrumental values, are what I spoke about how values provide a criteria and a guideline for how we conduct our life, for what we do, and also things that we don't do in our personal and also in our work life. Now, they don't force us. Values don't, dictate to us, but they do inform us and they do influence us. The terminal values are the things that we would like to see at the end. These are the bigger, broader things. Would we like to see the world at peace? Would we like to see a more equitable distribution of the world's resources and wealth? Would we like to see a clean and sustainable environment? What are those things that we deeply hold within us? Those are terminal values. Everybody has what the book refers to as a constellation of values. And I like that example. It makes me think about the solar system and how different things revolve around the sun, and some things are in closer orbit than others. It doesn't make one better than the other. It just means that they're in a different proximity to the center. So people, for instance, there are some people that the earning money and having wealth is something that circles closer around their core being. They think about it a lot. They think about how to make money. They think about how to make a lot of money. They choose their school and their profession, not necessarily because they're even interested in the particular profession, but it's a profession that makes a lot of money. 8 out of the 10, I think, top paying professions when you come out of college are in engineering. So if wanting to have a lot of money is circling close to my core, then I might choose to go into engineering, whether I like it or not, because that's not that important. What's important to me is the end goal, the ability to earn a lot of money. There's nothing good or bad about that. It depends on how you use it, maybe, but it's just different. Another person, they graduate from school, and rather than going where the best job is and where the highest paid job is, they want to stay in the same state that their family is in, because family is circling close to the core of their being. Now, me, the engineer, I still love my family, but I'm not going to stay in the state where my family is because the top paying jobs are not there, but I still love my family. Different things have different strengths. One doesn't mean it's better than another. Mercury isn't a better planet than Jupiter, but they're just at different proximities as they circle around the sun. So as a social worker, it's important to know what our own constellation of values are, and it's important to learn what our clients' constellation of values are as well. Part of the time, we may also be involved with helping a client clarify their values. That's called values clarification. Because at the end of the day, the decisions that they make determining important things in their life need to come out of their value system, not ours. Value clarification. All right, this is part one. Tune in for part two.